What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Before I get started, I would like to say sorry about the wait. And today we are going to fix some bugs and we are going to work on a loan system. Okay. So the bug that a lot of people have been messaging me about is when you interact with the bank, you put your password in, everything still works. Get a loan. I deposit some money. Yeah, everything still works. Still working fine. Let's see. Yeah, everything's still working fine. Okay, so here's the bug. So when I exit out of this and I try to interact, trying to buy the house, I get the bank widget again. And this is happening because of the open server create any widget. It's not working properly. Okay, so we're gonna work on this, and let me show you what we are going to work on today. And this, okay, so before I do that, let me change something real quick. Okay, so for the loan system, so if your credit is too low, you won't be able to get a loan. Okay, so if I say, you know what, I need to change this. Let's say if I say I need to take $2,000 loan, it's gonna say my credit is too low. I can't get the loan. Reason why, it's because in the player character, my player credit is 200. But if I put it at 500, because I'm checking to see whether it's in between 400 or 5 or high. Okay, so let me put this back. Now, if I play, now my credit is 500. Again, let's say I want to get, if you look at over here, my player money is 200, or if you want to put it straight to the bank, you can do it like that too, but I'm doing it for my player money. So if I click this, I can say, let me borrow 300,000. Later on, we're going to make it where based on your credit, this is going to be how much you can get, how much loan you can get, how much money. Okay, so now you can see it says loan, and I owe 300,000, and then you see now I have 500,000. So now in the next or upcoming videos, we're gonna work on what happened after you take the loan, like the monthly payment, and if you miss a payment, we're gonna add the interest. And then this, yeah, okay, I didn't do this yet, but this is gonna be where you can invest in things or whatever. Okay, so yeah, so this is what we are excuse me, looking forward to. We're going to the end. Yeah, so now if I go over here, you will see I'll be able to buy the house and everything is still working properly. Yep. Okay, so let me I need to work on this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here to fix this problem that it seems like everybody been having and don't know how to fix it, which is, it's a easy fix. This is an easy fix. So the first thing we're going to do, let's go to the bank component. Okay, we're going to create a custom event. Oh, let me move this. First, that bugged me. And the custom event, we're gonna call it server create bank widget. It's the same thing as like we've done a million times before. So on the server, and then we say MC create bank widget. See, Nope, this should be client. And we're gonna say create widget, and let's go see what's the widget called. And we can just plug this in and then promote to a variable, say bank UI, and then if bank UI is valid, we just add to viewport, and then plug this in, and you get player controller, set show mouse cursor to true, and then set input mode. We can do game and UI, doesn't matter. And then we can just place this here. Is bank UI open, and we set this to true, and in here let's move these back. We get this, get a branch. If it's valid, if it's not valid, we do this. But if it is, we say remove from parent, and we got this, hide it, and set input mode game only, and then we close this. We set it to false, and then here we call it here, say client create bank widget. Now if you go to the bank, I think it's in the character, you see what we're doing. If you go inside the bank BP, where we're doing create any widget, remove this. Okay, keep the BPC so that way we can remove the interact, but here we say get BPC bank from the player, and then we convert it. We check to see if it's valid. If it is, we can say server create bank widget. So now if we hit play, create a bank account, and then we whatever, and then we close. Now if we go and open the bank, the house, yeah, it shows. Okay, and then now we can purchase the house, and then everything. So we need to let me see. Okay, this is for the light. Let's go see. It is inside of the house. Oh, come on, really? Okay, light. This is turning the lights on. BP light switch. Okay. Yeah, we need to fix this. The server create interaction. This is inside of the BPC widget server create interaction. Okay, so we need to let's find the UI interaction down here. Interaction T. Go back to the widget, where we're doing the server create interaction widget. Before we add it to the viewport, we're gonna say set interaction t. Let's move these over here. Let's grab this. Set interaction t. Let's plug this like this. Plug it over there. And then we pass this over here. And let's call it interaction message. Interaction message. And then we also pass it right here too. And by default, let's just say, yeah, to interact. Okay, cool. So now if we go, now if we go to the light switch, we don't even need to do this. We can delete this. And we can say to toggle light. And then when we leave, BBC widget, yeah. When we leave, we just set it to nothing. So now let's go see. Oh, it's doing a loop. Come on. Uh-oh. Don't take 2 hours now to load. Come on. What's the problem? I switch. But it seems like it breaks right here. Right. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we can just say to toggle. Oh. To toggle light. And also we need to remove it. So remove or hide. Oh, remove interaction region. Yeah. We end the overlap. And then we can also set it to nothing. And then it seems like on the interaction with the house, yeah, so we need to go to the house now and just update the text. Yeah, open bind menu. So now when we click, when we go here, it says E to open bind menu. Yep, E to open bind menu, press E, buy the house. Go here. Nice it, toggle light switch, remove it. Yep. And if you go here, we gotta change that one too, yeah, for the bank. Okay, so let's close this, bank, to interact. Okay, so the bank should be working to interact, and now it's dynamic. Now if you go over here, you're gonna say to open by menu, and then it's gonna say to interact. Okay, cool. So now what we're going to do, let's go to the character data player info. Let's add some variables. Let's add two. Let's say player credit, and it's gonna be an integer, and let's say has player loan amount, integer as well, and has loan, and this one will be a boolean, and then you can just move it up. Save only this, just do one save, close, and do not save. And I forgot where in the world is my project. Why are you acting slow today? Why? Yeah. Okay. Come on, you can do it. Let's go. 95. There we go. Cool. So now we can go to our player info database. I'm using the trade character for credit. Let's say for now, let's start my player at 500, and don't put nothing for the loan, and has long, leave it to false. Okay. So now let's go to the bank widget. Let's close this. Let's open these. And in the bank widget, let me check my project so I can speed this up. Okay. In the bank widget, you can copy the withdraw block, and let's rename it loan block. Okay, let's rename everything that needs to be renamed. Loan, whatever. Just make sure you rename them. But the most important thing that we need to rename, let's show this. Is this the input? Loan input. On input, and this one gonna be confirm loan BTN, and this one going to be back loan BTN, and then what else do I need? Yeah, that's about it. Make sure the loan block is a variable. Okay, it is. And for now, lock it and close it. And this one, this horizontal box, what is it? Yeah, let's call this one button container. Right, let's get it. Let's duplicate it, and then the button inside of it. The size, let's make the size about 80. And then let's say loan button container. And let's put a padding to the top, like 5. Or maybe 10. Yeah. And let's call this one. Let's say get a loan. Get loan BTN. So when we click on the loan BTN, excuse me, we want to show the loan block. So we get it, and then we say set visibility to visible, and then when we click on the back, we can say set visibility to collapse. Okay, so let's go check it out. So let's check it out on the server, client. So we don't have to mess stuff up. Okay. Get loan, should get a loan, cancel. Yep, it's working. So now what happened when we click on this button? Let's add a comment. Say toggle loan window. So we know what this is. So first thing first, we need to check this. We need to check if it's empty or if it's a numeric value, if it's a number. Okay, so scroll down on text committed. Let's delete this for now. Let's promote this to a variable. Promote and says call it loan amount. You can replicate. Okay, so we're gonna get the loan amount. We're gonna check to see if it's empty. Text is empty because we're not trying to do anything if you didn't put anything on the box. So if it's empty, we do nothing. But if it's not, you can get it and say to string. Yep, the string. And then we get the string, and then we say is numeric. We're doing it on a false. That means if it's not empty, we checking to see if it's numeric. Okay. If it is numeric, we do let's see. If it's not numeric, we just leave it like that. Okay, that's fine. So now we need to do what happened when we click on the button. We need to do that check again. because there are two cases, it will do the check. Okay, so let's say print string here, can get loan. Okay, I'm gonna show you. If I say 44, and then you see, oh, I put it on the wrong thing. It's a numeric. Can get loan. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to keep this thing open, but it's gonna stay open because as soon as we just checking to make sure it's if it's not numeric, you can just print a string here to let them know that hey, it needs to be a number. Okay, so but when you click the button, the confirm button, this that's when we need to do the check to see if the player have enough credit to get the loan. Okay, so let's do this inside of the compile, save. Let's do it inside of the bank. You can add comment here. We can say create bank widget. And then somewhere over here, we can say server give loan. Make sure it's run on server reliable because we want this to happen. Okay. So now we're gonna do a switch authority because we only want the server to be in charge of giving the loan. We don't want player to be able to give themselves $1 million loan. Okay, we get the character, make sure it's valid, and then we say get player info, and then we're gonna break it. For now, let's get excuse me. For now, let's get the player credit. Okay, see if player credit is greater or equal to a number. So we're gonna say random float in range to see if your credit is the minimum, like the lowest your credit can be before you can get a loan is 400. 400. Max, let's say 750. Okay, so if you in between these numbers, you can get a loan. Okay, so if that's true, let's print a string. We can say you can get a loan. If not, no loan for you. Okay, and then go back to this, and then let's go back to the bank widget. Let's get the character. See if it's valid. Nope. Oh yeah, we need that. And then we can say get bank component. Get character bank. Oh, we can just grab this. Yep. Get character bank. And then we can say server give loan. Let's check. Remember my credit is like, what's my credit? My credit is about 500. Okay, so I should be able to get a loan. So if I go here, wait a minute, what happened? Oh, that's when this happened when yeah. When it crashed. So enter, right? Press E. Now I should be able to get a loan. Oh, wait a minute. If it's if my credit is greater, random material. Oh, I guess it has to be the exact amount then. Greater or equal to 500. Interesting. Yeah. So if it's great, if my credit is greater or equal to the minimum. Okay, well, for now, let's do it this way. I'll figure this out. So if it is greater or equal to, let's check to see what happened if I drop my credit to 200. Yeah, okay. What if I put it at 450 then? Can I still get a loan? Yeah, okay. So it just cannot be. I don't know what was that, but okay. So back to the bank widget. Let's delete these. So if it is, if my credit is okay, I can set members in player info, and what I'm trying to set, and this is where if you want to add the money to your bank, you can just get the bank money instead of the player money. But I want to add it to my player, so I can say get set members. So it will be down here. I'll also need my player money. So I need player money plus, let's pass these as an input, and let's call it loan amount. Okay, player money plus the loan amount, and then we can set player money, and then we also need to set has loan to true because we just grab a loan. Okay, and then we also we need a custom event, and then MC MC set loan amount. This is so that way we can show how much money we borrow from the bank on the widget. So let's make it a multicast, and let's add an input. Matter of fact, no, let's get this. And then we can say set members. We can delete this. Set members, and then we need the player money. Player money and has loan. So this is for the replication. So player money and has loan. Okay. So make sure it's set to replicate it and make sure it's reliable. And then we can say MC set loan amount. We can set the loan to this. And then we can set this to true. Okay, let's move this over here. And we can print a string here. We can say print string. Print string. Credit is too low. So we know. So now if you go back to the bank widget here, this is gonna be the loan. See loan amount. So it's gonna be whatever the amount that you put inside of the input. You're gonna say to string, and then we just plug it up here. Okay, so let's go see. So if I click here, okay. Get a loan. For now I have 200,000. Let's say I need 300,000. Hit OK. Credit is too low. Wait a minute. Why is it saying credit is too low? Or you can make it if somebody can only get credit if their credit is 500. But I will check on that and see what happened. Oh, I keep adding it. See, I also need after I get the loan, I also need to hide the input box. And then we also need to reset the input. So get that, and then set text, editable text. Get it at 200. Let me get this so I can make it 500,000. Only if I had that kind of money. Oh, whoa. What is going on here? So I have 2, and I get 3. 1, 2, 3. What? Why is it giving me 500,000? Oh, okay. Wait. Let me see. I think, did I add a number on the loan? Credit, player money is already 200,000. Okay. And bank. Let me see something. Hold on. Let's see if it's a replication problem. Nope. Why am I? Okay, so player money, we adding whatever the loan is to the player money. And then we saying up here. Let's check something. Let's do print string. Let's check what this is. Return what this is returning. 20. Okay. 300. Yeah, so why is this thing returning 800,000? Or maybe I'm blind. Maybe I'm blind, I don't know. $40, okay. 1,000. Why is this 22? Okay. I am completely lost. Yeah, why is it saying 8? If I'm only requesting 3. Okay, let me check I'm checking my note right quick to see. I know I didn't make, I'm not tweaking. Okay, give loan. Player credit. Player money. Let me show you. See, I'm doing the same thing here. Get the player money. We adding the loan amount. Setting the player money. The player money plus the loan amount. Set the player money. And then we set that. Yeah. And then over here in the widget, I'm doing the same thing. See? I don't know where it's getting this extra 200,000 from. Oh, wait a minute. Let me see something. Yeah, right here. Right here. This is the problem. This is the problem. Because if I go here, if I excuse me, if I hide this, the player money, it's coming from player money, right? So am I even using this variable right here? It's gonna go, no. So I'm not using it anywhere. And player money, let's say 0. Let's leave it at 0 and see. Yeah, let's put player money at 0. $0. Let's put 300. What the? I don't know what's going on. Let's say 300,000. Okay. Player money plus 300,000. Let's say that's the loan. I don't know why it's doubling it up for. Even if I put a number here, shouldn't. Okay, I'm lost. Oh, okay. That's probably because I'm setting it over here as well. That's probably what this is. Let's unplug this. It's doing it twice. That's probably what this is. Yep, that's exactly what it was. Okay, so this should not be player money. I'm sorry, guys. This is not player money. We need the loan amount. Oh, the loan amount, not the player money. Yeah, not the player money. And this is supposed to be loan amount. Loan amount. Oops. Sorry. And then we can say hide unconnected pin. Yeah, this is a loan amount. Cause I was like, why is it doing this to me? Okay. Let's exit this. Yep, okay. Yeah, sorry. It was the loan amount. Okay, now it should work. Now we should be in business. I have no money. Get a loan. 300,000. Boom, 300. So I get another loan for 300. And let's say 700,000. Should get $1 million. Yep, there we go. Let's put my player money back to 200,000. Sorry guys, my bad. Okay. Let's see. Let's cancel. Close this. Close this. Now we need to go add the little thing down here for the loan. Okay, we need to add it in between. We need a horizontal box and add it in between this one and that one down there. Yep. So this need to be 40. Oops. 40. And then let's put 20 at the top. And then let's add a text. And let's rename this loan display. Make it a variable. Get a text. Black. No. Point. Is it 0.8? Make the text 15. And then loan amount. And then you can duplicate the text. Loan text amount. Make this one a variable. This one don't need to be a variable. This one need. And then we can say $, let's say right now, for now 500. Zoom in. Wrap it with a border. Get the border. Make it red like this. Get the text. The color. Yep, you can make it red like that. And put this like 13. Padding 8. And then you can center this. Get the box. And then add a pattern to the left about 15. Okay, and in the loan display, let's add create a binding for that. And then let's get the player bank. Nope. Get player info. Break this. If as long is true, set it to visible, and if it's not, set it to hidden, and make sure has loan is true after you get the loan. Oh yeah, this is for the server and this is for the client. Okay, and then go back here and copy this, the loan text, on the text, create a Biden for that, and then we can say if it's true, we get the loan amount, and then we can say format text $, and you say loan, and then put it here, and let's check it out. And then if you press E, okay, we don't see it because we don't have any loan. Let's say I need a $300,000 loan, and boom, there we go. Why is it saying 800 again? Why is this saying 800? Oh, it's because it's setting up twice. It is. Oh, I can just set it up over here to make my life easier. But would this still work if I do this for the client? $300. Yeah. Yes. Wait. Why is it? Interesting. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry. This need to be the loan. This needs to be the loan. I'm sorry. It's 12 a.m. I'm tired. Okay. Yeah, this needs to be the loan. Not don't do the plus. Straight up is the loan amount. Okay. One last time, one last check. Fingers crossed. 300,000. Haha, voila. So the loan is 300,000, and now I have $500,000. Okay. Well, hopefully this wasn't a lot, and I apologize for the mistakes. And this is this is the loan system for today. And in the next video, we going to work on the monthly payment till we pay back the loan. Okay. And then so how much interest the bank charged if you miss a payment, and how much your monthly payment going to be every month. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. And once again, I apologize for the mistakes. And I will see you in the next video. And we also have to fix this. So you know where to fix this. So it's where you interact with the house. So make sure you fix it. Okay. Bye-bye.